Mic is good. Alright. Hello lads, welcome to Arma 3 Special Mission Making Training. Please have a seat everyone. As you may know me, I am Staff Sergeant Nomad, British Special Operations CTRGV, 2nd Battalion 5th Group. This is our first session of Arma 3 Mission Making course exhibited in Airbase Stratus. This first session you will learn about how to implement certain scripts, functions or systems into your mission. We want to take a look at the overview of this course. Alright, let me see. Here. This list shows you all the different aspects of this training for the session 1. We got actions, groups, positions, markers, vehicles, triggers, compositions and tasks, which is missions. We will go through all the details with these. Let's check this out. Alright, we go to the actions for the first session. Let's hop into the editor first. We got a character here that we need to make these interact with other objects here. We name these the box, the lab, which is laptop, the soldier, and this big one is TV. And we are the player here. We want to get into the game to show you how these codes work. Alright, first of all, before we start, I want to show you a few things about the actions. When you get close to an object like an ammo box, you see a picture, which is the actions picture, which means rearmament supply box or inventory. If you click this and a script ran, that makes you interact with the box itself and its inventory. So actually everything you do in the Arma is some kind of action that runs a simple script, like opening a door. Opening a door is a script that finds the door near you and plays the animation of the opening the door. Simple as that. Now how we create our own scripts and actions. First of all, we want to use the debug console, which is here, and it comes with a mod that names debug console, or another one called enhanced debug console that you can use. Alright, now we want to run a simple script like a hint. I simply go to my notepad. This file is the one you can download below the description of the video. It calls hint. The hint command show you a little text around display, like this one. I write it here and execute. You see the top of the screen, this is the hint. Alright, now I want to add this hint to an action. Simply go here and the second sentence. What does it say? It says SLD, which is the soldier here. It adds action to the soldier, and this part is the sentence you see on the object, which is a soldier or a box. And the second part is the script that will run on the action completion. I run this code, execute. Here it returns the index of the action, which is an advanced thing. it's not important now. You see, this is a hint is still ran. We added an action to the soldier. Let's look at it. You see the sentence say hello soldier that I can see from afar. I can see from the 50-meter diameter around the object. If I click this, it says hello sergeant. Alright, it means that our action works correctly. Now we're gonna take this to the next level. When you use this syntax, it's a simple one, and you can only write here a simple script. So you cannot put a structured script in here, like a conditioned script that may have a wait or sleep in between. So if we want to run a more advanced script, we need to execute a SQF file, which I put in a scripts folder named salute. So simply I want to make the soldier salute at me on running a script. Alright. I did a few other things here, like I changed the size of the action, and I changed the color. You can do these with the structured text. It's all explained in the BI site, and you can check it out under the structured text panel. I run this script to see what happens. Alright, now index is 1. Now we got two actions on the soldiers. One says, say hello soldier. The second one is salute soldier. Alright. Now if I select the salute soldier, this piece of code gonna be ran. The soldier, first of all, play the animation salute in, waits, play the salute, waits 2 seconds, and then he salute out, which is he get back to the normal idle animation. Let's run it. He salutes at the sergeant and he gets set. Alright, simple as that. So we ran a structured script using a SQF file in our mission folder. If you want to take a look at the mission folder, I can show it here. Here is the mission file, the mission SQM, the scripts, which is salute, and I called it like this. Next thing we want to do is we want to make the text go away, and we want to put a picture on the action. We use an image tag, and we write the address of the image, which you can find on the BI site, which I show you. Then the color is changed too. And this part of the script, I want to introduce you to this select 0. You see, when you add an action in a script to an object, this select 0 refers to the object itself if you put it under the simple scripts. Now I want to run this script to see what happens. It says it sets the damage of this select 0, which is the box, to 1, which is gonna destroy the box. box add action, now image instead of the text, and then the script. As you can see, now we got a picture instead of the text. Now, if I execute this image, it's gonna burn the whole thing. Alright. So, check this out. Now we see the box is destroyed. Alright. Let's get to the advanced part. Well, let's take a look at the complete syntax of the add action command. The add action command does include many other things, like the condition of the action, which is here. By default it's true, and it's gonna show you the action when you get closer than 50 meters radius to the object. And it ain't gonna hide unused by default, but in the complete syntax it says true on hide unused, which means you can run the action only once. So I want to use the complete syntax on the box 2, which is on the right side, and I'm gonna use the same picture for it, but now I'm gonna use a condition which says this, which is a box, distance target, which is me, should be less than 2 to show the action. I can put this in here too, but I want to show you the condition. And it's gonna hide after the usage of the action. Alright. Now, we run this script. This is the box 2. Let's take a look. You see, as I get close to the box, it shows me the action of the destruction. If I get back, it hides again. Now if I get close enough, you see the action. Now I run it. The object is gone now. And that's it on a conditioned action. Another thing that I want to show you is under this part, and I wrote in a script that when you pick up a radio backpack, it adds you an action to call an airstrike or something else, a transport maybe. Let's run this script. On the completion, it shows a hint that shows the completion of the action. Player add action, an image, and other things. Execution. Continue. As you can see, I have no action right now, even when I get close to the radio backpack. The moment I take the backpack, you see a new action under my disposal. Alright. If I run this action, it says Roger out, CAS unit dispatch and heading to your location, over. As you can see, now I have the action as I put on the radio backpack. If I drop it, the action will go off too. If I take it again, the action returns. So that's it about the conditioned actions. At the end, we want to show you the BI Studio's latest action that I don't know. They implemented it with the expansions, and it calls hold action, which you can see under the attributes of the editor itself. How to implement the hold action is pretty simple, as the add action itself. Let's look at the syntax here. It needs the object and it needs a text. You can add here an icon which will appear on the screen and will appear on the progress of the action. The condition of the use. Here we have to be less than 3 meters close to the object. And here we can put our code which is going to be executed on completion. And these are like remove on completion. If it be true, the action gonna go off after the completion of the code. So I have my lab sitting out there, and I want to run this script on my lab. Control C, and let's check the laptop. It doesn't have any action right now. Let me get rid of this radio backpack. No action right now. Only the inventory of the table. I want to set an action for the laptop. Alright. Now I get close. You see no action yet. Now you see the action. If you hold this space, the action gonna start. And then it says laptop is hacked. And you can see this effect. Alright. You can check the notepad file to dig in and see what is what and use it as you wish. Alright lads, this was about the actions course, and we will update you with New Year trainings. Please subscribe, like and share. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments below. Nomad out.